Would you like me to go get the manager really quickly? I mean, it would take me just a second. I want you to bring me my cookie dough blizzard that I ordered from you. Well, that's not gonna happen because we don't have blizzards. We have chocolate or vanilla Frosties. It's just the ice cream. I don't appreciate your sass. Okay, let's compromise. If I get you a chocolate chip cookie and I give you that, will that get you out of my drive-thru? Well, now I just feel like you're rushing me. There's nothing else I can do for you if this is not enough. Fine. Great. I'll even chop the cookie up for you and put it in a Frosty. You could just keep the one in your car. You could just keep it. I'll make you a brand new one as long as you get out of the drive-thru. Okay, thanks. Okay, thanks. Just a second. Okay, ma'am, here you go. A chocolate Frosty with chopped cookie pieces on top. Thanks. Something wrong? Well, you just, this is cooked. It sure is. Okay, well, I wanted it raw. I wanted raw cookie dough. Give me just a second. Manager, I need you right now. Can it wait? I'm a little busy right now. No, we can't wait, actually. There's a lady in the drive-thru, and she's very insistent that I give her raw cookie dough. We're not supposed to do that. It's a health code violation. Yeah, I know that. Do you mind telling her that for me? 'Cause I've tried over and over and over again, and she's not getting it through her head. Well, please, I'm begging you, talk to this lady for me. Sure. Hi, ma'am. So you wanted raw cookie dough. If you could just sign this consent form that says we're not responsible if you get sick. I don't want to do that. Well, then I'm not giving you any raw cookie dough. This is the worst customer service.